Hello everybody. I thought I would show you our girls here. And what did we do today inside their coop? I put in a new roost because it turns out that they won't all fit on the one over here. So then a couple of them were just on the ledge on the nesting boxes, and I didn't really like that, so I just cut down a small cedar tree that was kind of in the way, and they should fit nicely up there. Hopefully they all are up on the roosts and nobody's close to the bedding, and then they'll be happier chickens. There's your update for today. Thank you for subscribing, and we'll see you on the next video. Bye for now.